Go.
Patagonia's Path to Sustainability, a comprehensive exploration of environmental stewardship and social responsibility. By Swayam Pandap and Soumyaranjan Mahan. What is Patagonia and how do they function? Patagonia is a famous outdoor clothing brand founded by Yvonne Troynard in 1973. Patagonia is well known for their high-end outdoor clothing and their strong efforts to make their operation as sustainable as possible. Another great thing that Patagonia follows as a business is the stewardship theory. The stewardship theory is a theory made of the relations between shareholders, owners, and the board of managers of a business. Shareholders and owners provide employee trust, which allows the board to make decisions and set goals that will help the business succeed to reach its full potential, while maximizing and protecting the shareholders' wealth. This allows for business to run with a level of trust and no dissatisfaction on either side, as the board will have the power to run the business forward, and the shareholders, such owners, do not have to worry about their wealth being in any harm. Patagonia follows this with their designers and manufacturers, which is the reason this business is so successful and now is multinational in more than 10 nations and with online retailing and many more. See, Patagonia's motivational mission statement states, build the best product, cause no unnecessary harm, and use business to inspire and implement solutions to environmental crises.
Patagonia efforts to sustainable tourism and the future. The Patagonia has two main factors of that. They operate with the ensure of the sustainability approach on the functions of their business. There are two main factors. The first one is the material and environment programs, and the second one is the social responsibility programs.
The material and environmental programs. For many years, Patagonia has been working to reduce the environmental footprint of their company by their own business and production of their supply chain. However, they found out that they need to do even more than that. Their biggest greenhouse gas emitter is the material manufacturing. 85% of their emissions comes from manufacturing these materials. They have decided to organically grow these materials, such as cotton, which they made 100% change to use organic cotton in 1996, and finally increased their production with sustainability material from 43% to a strong 88% of their production. Looking into the future, in 2025, they have decided to eliminate virgin petroleum fiber from any of their clothing and use sustainable material, which will keep out an estimated 15.5 million pounds of CO2 in the atmosphere. And finally, in 2025, they're looking at having their packaging 100% renewable, recyclable, and reusable to help reduce the amount of plastic waste, which has been a great impact on the environment. See, these decisions help to increase both the product and the packaging lifespan by giving a further purpose to them when the customers do not need to use them anymore. Recycling, reusing, renewing these products, reusing and renewing these products will provide a sustainable cycle in which waste can be minimized. Incorporating this with their attempts to reduce carbon footprints will have a major positive impact.
And the second factor is the society responsibility program. The Patagonia have done a lot of work to ensure that their social responsibility programs are followed by the whole organization. This is because the social responsibility is of the main factor that can lead an organization into a sustainability path. The underpaying working skill and labor horrible work conditions are some of the biggest key factors of social responsibility. And a lot of multinational companies are responsible for this. However, the Patagonia ensures that these factors are not applicable to their production factories and improving the association's social sustainability appraisal condition. And B level, where they all focus on improving work conditions and environment for many of their workplaces across the world and provide their workers with the sustainable requirement to live and work comfortably. 86% of their products in their respective lines are made in fair trade certified factories. 75,000 plus workers benefit their Patagonia's participations in the famous fair trade program. 2,000 plus farmers are part in their regenerative organic certified cotton program.
Patagonia is 1% of the planet program. See, in 1985, Patagonia have taken part in a 1% for the planet program, in which they have given $140 million in cash and donations to environmental groups that are making an impact in their local communities. The 1% program is formed by an alliance of businesses that donate 1% of their sales to environmental groups, organizations, and programs across the world. They also help share awareness about the program to inspire other businesses to take part in the action. Finally, in 2002, founder Yvonne Schoenhardt decided to create a non-governmental organization related to Patagonia to further help this cause and encourage other businesses to participate in the 1% program. Thank you for listening to our presentation. I'm Swayam Panda.
I'm Subramanian Mohanty. We're the students of Science Research School, IBCP.